Hi, hello, shalom, hola, hi. Today is a very rainy day in Austin, Texas. We are in Holy Monday, Holy Week 2024. And the color of the city is silver color today. Look, it's so beautiful. Bless all these people is intelligent. They design beautiful buildings. Bless all people, always remember God. They bless all people, they blessing the Lord. Bless the Lord Almighty. Let's go see the other side how look the morning, this beautiful morning of Holy Monday 2024. Let's go see it this side how the beautiful day look like. It's a rainy day. Holy Monday and the Holy Week 2024, Austin, Texas. Blessed the Lord Almighty. And let me see you how it's look. The floor is very. It's been raining. No storm raining, but it's usually when I can show you the difference. There is raining in how look the floor. With the same way look the floor when there's cloud touch the ground. So let me see. Let me show you. See, that's the floor look like when the cloud touch the ground. Bless the Lord Almighty for create the cloud. Like the Bible says, whether for punishment or for mercy, for all heart trembling for the mighty of the Lord. Bless the Lord Almighty. Equal his name is his power. Equal his power is his creation. Equal his love is his mercy. Bless the Lord Almighty, and may the Lord bring blessing to all people is in celebrate Holy Week and his tradition for celebrate Holy Week. And may the Lord destroy evil with all his power. God, people pray for protect the innocent and the terrible appearance of the Lord for destroy all evil. Bless the Lord Almighty.